Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Okay, today I'm going to explain what are we going to do today, Monday and Wednesday. Okay? We are going to start with the activities for today. Here we have Daisy, and we are going to listen to Daisy and her friends. And here we have some verbs. We will have to choose which 8 verbs does she use. Okay? So we will write them in our notebook. Okay? So please pay attention and listen to Daisy and her friends.
Listening 31. Listen to Daisy and her friends. Which 7 verbs do they use?
Did you like the aquarium, Daisy?
Yes, I did. It was fantastic.
Did you see the angelfish?
No, I didn't. I saw the clownfish though, and I saw the sea snakes. They were frightening.
Yes, I agree. What did you eat at lunchtime?
I ate a ham sandwich. I also had a banana yogurt, and I drank a bottle of water. It was very hot.
Yes, it was. That's why I wore my sun hat. I found a beautiful pink shell on the beach. Did you see it?
Yes, I did. I didn't find any interesting shells this time. I bought this shell bracelet at the aquarium shop though.
Mrs. Green said we must write a postcard about our trip. Who are you going to write to?
I wrote mine on the bus. I wrote my postcard to my cousin in Poland. I need to buy a stamp tomorrow.
I wrote mine on the beach. Mine is for my friend Leo.
I'm going to write a postcard to my granny.
Okay, so now you will have to see which verbs did she say. Okay, and now here we have her postcard, a very nice postcard, and we are going to listen to her postcard. And please pay attention because you are also going to write a postcard. Okay, when you finish listening to the postcard, we will have to answer this. Daisy saw some seals at the aquarium. Is that true? Is that false? Or she didn't say anything about this. Okay? We will have to choose true, false, or doesn't say. Okay? We only have 3. So please listen and pay attention. Look, this is her postcard. We have the stamp, the title, the person she's going to write it, the address, and the postcode. And then we will always start with dear, and we will end with see you soon, love, and your name. Let's listen.
Listening 32. Read Daisy's postcard. Listen and answer true, false, or doesn't say.
Mrs. Elizabeth Jennings, 2 Lavender Road, Hilltown, SQ5 68U. Dear Granny, I went to the coast today on a school trip. In the morning, we went to the beach and we collected shells. I collected a beautiful pink one for you. At lunchtime, we didn't go to a cafe for lunch. We ate our lunch on the beach. In the afternoon, we visited the aquarium. We met an interesting scientist, and she talked to us about dolphins and fish. We saw a frightening shark in the aquarium. Peter said it wasn't real. He said it was plastic. Then we saw it swim through the water. Peter was frightened. It was very funny. You can see the shark on this postcard. I bought it in the shop. See you soon. Love, Daisy.
Okay? So now we will get our notebook and we will answer this question. Who is the postcard for? What is the postcard about? What do you think of Daisy's postcard and why? Okay? When we finish this, we will go to the activity book. And this number 1 we are not going to do. No. We will go to number 2 and we will have to think about our postcard. So we will have to choose a day trip destination. Okay? For example, in my postcard, I choose Valencia. I'm going to Valencia. You can go to Madrid, or you can go to the beach, or you can go to the mountain, or you can go to Paris. Okay? The destination you want. Then you will have to find a photo for your postcard. Then do my research. Research is find the information about the places I'm going to visit. Okay, and finally, write my postcard. To do my postcard, I have to ask me some questions. For example, where did I go? Now I will show the questions I did to myself to know how to do my postcard. Let's see. Okay, these are the questions I asked me. Where did I go? Okay, I went to Valencia. I also went to a concert and to the cinema. Remember, did. If I have did, I have to put the verb in infinitive. And in the answer, I put the verb in the past simple. What did I see? I saw a fun fair. What did I buy? I bought a teddy bear. Where did I walk? I walked through the river. Look, here we have a regular verb. We have to add ed. Where did I go? When did I go? I went today. And who did I go with? I went with my friends. Okay? When you have the questions of the postcard you want to write, you will start writing this. Okay, this work is for Monday. Now we are going to start with the work for Wednesday. Okay? Okay? Here we have read the tips and write your own project. Okay? We have some tips. Tips are like things they show you for you to have it better, to make it easy. Okay, so write the name of the person you want to write the postcard, address, okay, and postcode. For example, in Valencia's 46006. Then start your postcard as I told you before, dear, and the name of the person. Dear Juan or dear Sofia, okay? And then we have to end the postcard with love and your name. Love, Pilar, okay? Then write a description of the places and activities you are going to do, and you can also write about the weather. It was sunny, it was rainy. Then the spelling tip. Be careful, for example, irregular. You have your worksheet with the irregular verbs buy, bought, eat, ate. Okay? And then pay attention to the past simple with the negative sentences. For example, if I want to make a negative sentence, I didn't eat, not ate. Remember to put the infinitive when we have the didn't. Okay? And now you are ready to write your postcard. I'm going to show you my postcard. Okay? This is the one I wrote. Dear Claudia, I went to Valencia today with some friends. In the morning, we went to a classical music concert. It was amazing. Then we were hungry and we ate in an Italian restaurant. The pizza was delicious. In the afternoon, we walked through the river and we saw a fun fair. We had a great time and I bought a teddy bear. Then we went to the cinema and we watched Jumanji. One of my friends didn't like the film, but the rest loved it. See you soon. Love, Pilar. Okay? Look, I put the address, the name of the person I'm going to write, Claudia Curry, the address 3 Green Road, New York, and the postcode. Okay? So this is the postcard I want you to write. So please think the places you want to go, the activities you want to do, and of course look at the vocabulary, okay? When we finish doing our postcard, we are going to check and revise if we did a great work. So, have you organized your project correctly with the questions and the answers? Have you used the correct punctuation? Remember the full stop, commas, exclamations. Have you used the correct grammar? Past simple. And with the did, we have to put the infinitive. Have you used correct spelling? Look at the spelling, okay? And be careful if you wrote the words correctly. Have you checked your facts? Okay, check the things that you said that you were going to do in this place if you put it in the postcard. Okay? If you need any help, you can write me in my email. And remember, this work is for Monday and Wednesday. Okay? So until Thursday, we are not going to have more English work. Bye bye.